Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Quick guide on today's video. I'm going to show you how to add multiple destinations in Google Map. It's very quick and easy. So let's get started. First, open the Google Maps app on your phone. If you don't have the app yet, you can get it from Google Play Store or the Apple App Store. Once you do that, open the app, then sign in using your Google account. Now on the screen, you can see options like search bar, your user icon, explore, go, saved, contribute, and updates. Right above updates, you're gonna find directions option. There, you can go ahead and choose a starting point, then choose a destination there. Once you do that, on the top right corner, you can see there's a 3-dot menu. Go ahead and tap on it. Then from the bottom of the screen, you can find Add Stop button. Now, once you tap on that Add Stop button, go ahead, select it, then choose a map. Go ahead and select a location there to add and tap on OK. You can see you can even add point C. You can keep adding the destinations there. And guys, that's it. That's how you add multiple destinations in Google Map. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please give it a thumbs up, leave a comment, subscribe to our channel, and hit that bell icon. See you in the next video. Thanks for watching.